sum of n term of an arithmetic progression, an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP means the question is this one. That is our question is what? A first term, a plus d second term, third term is a plus 2d plus etc. up to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the question. A plus n minus 1. That is what? Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So to find the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression, so I will, it's an arithmetic progression. That is difference of two consecutive terms is same. So here a plus d minus a is what? D. A plus 2d minus a plus d is d, etc. So difference is, common difference is d. This minus this is d, this minus this is d, next term minus this one will be d, etc. So before finding this sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, so I will tell you one story. That is, have you ever heard the mathematician name Gauss? When Gauss was in actually, why I am telling this story means, for this one, the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression, this formula was derived by this mathematician Gauss. So behind this one story is there. The story is like this. When Gauss was in I think in third standard, like this. In third standard, he derived this formula. How means, when Gauss was in third standard, so his teacher, lazy teacher, used to give difficult questions to the students so that the teacher can sleep for at least 15 to 20 minutes like that. So that is, it was a story, whether it is true or not, I don't know. So I read somewhere. So then what happens is, so the teacher used to give difficult questions, but Gauss immediate after, within a minute, Gauss used to solve all the problems every time. So the teachers sleep every time getting disturbed. Then one day teacher decided to give a difficult problem so that Gauss also, for Gauss also it is difficult to solve. Then what teacher done is, teacher has given this question. The question was like this, simple question only. So find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus etc. 100. This question was given. Then teacher thought that it takes much time to solve the problem for everybody, including us, so that I can sleep. Then for this question also, within a 1 minute, Gauss came up with the answer. So how Gauss solved this question? How he added? It is actually manually, if we add like this, then it takes much time. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Like that, if we add, okay, it fills so many papers, and there is a chance of committing so many mistakes also. But how Gauss has done this problem means, this is the way. So first, immediately Gauss has written this as S. S means what? Sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. 100. So our question is what now? Gauss question is what? We need to calculate S value. Yes, sir, because this he considered as S. Our question is, yes, we need to find S. S means this summation. Then after, what he has done is, he has given this number 1. Now same as he has written in reverse order. 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus etc. Up to last one is what? 100. Give this to 2. Then what he has done is, he added these two sequences or series. So if you add, then what you get? S plus S is what? 2S. 2s is equal to first term is corresponding first term. If you add, what you get? 1 plus 100 is what? 101. Plus second term, 92 plus 99 is what? 101. 3 plus 98 is what? Again 101. 4 plus 97, 101, etc. 100 plus 1 is what? 10. So 101, 101, 101, how many times we need to add? 100 times. Because 100 are there. So 100 times. So then what we get? 2s is equal to 101, 100 times means what? 100 into 101. That is s is equal to what? 100 into 101 by 2. That is 2 how many times? 50 times. That is s is equal to what? 50 into 101. So 101 into 50 is what? 0005105. That is 5050. That is 5050. Therefore, our answer is what now? S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 100 is equal to 5050. So our S is sir, because we considered S as this one. So we got S is equal to what? 5050. So actually to explain this one, I have taken this much time, but Gauss solved this within what? 1 minute. So he invented this formula actually. So clear this one? Write this one. Sum of 100, that is sum of 100 natural numbers is equal to what? 100 into 101, 101. 100 into 101 by 2. That is equals to what? 100 into 101 by 2. So this 100 into 101 by 2. This is what? Sum of 100 natural numbers. So we found the question which was given to Gauss was what? Find sum of 100 natural numbers. So can you write this question? This question, find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 100 is same as what? Sum of 100 natural numbers or not? Yes. Sum of 100 natural numbers is 100 plus 101 by 2 because we got 100 into 101 by 2. Now general formula, can you tell me? Therefore, general formula, the sum of n natural numbers sum of n natural numbers is equal to what? N into next number is what? N plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula. Okay, now sum of n natural numbers is what? This one. So with the help of this idea, we can find the sum of n terms of an AP because this is an AP. With the same idea, we can find this formula for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So how we will see? Now we will check this formula. What we have written, sum of n natural numbers is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Just we will check example for sum of 6 natural numbers. Example, sum of 100 already we have seen. Sum of 100 natural numbers we have seen. Now we will check. Find the sum of 6 natural numbers. So sum of 6 natural numbers means what? Solution. The question is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus. This is our question. So this is the sum of 6 natural numbers. If you use the formula directly, we can write the answer. What is the answer? N. N is what? 6. N plus 1. 6 plus 1. By what? 2. That is 2 3 times. That is 3 into 6 plus 1, 7. That is equals to what? 20. This is sum of 6 natural numbers. Even if you add, then you get the same answer. 6 plus 5. What? 11, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21. See, if you add also, then you will get this. Clear? Now our question is this one. Now sum of in terms of an arithmetic, same idea. So how to find sum means proof. First what you do is you take S is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus etc. up to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is our S. Give this to number 1. Same Gauss formula. First you write in reverse order. A plus N minus 1 into D plus this and this you add. So tell me what is the preceding term of this one? See, A plus 2D, preceding term A plus D, preceding term A. Suppose here A plus 3D is there, preceding term A plus 2D, one number less. What is the one number less than N minus 1? N minus 1 minus 1, that is N minus 2 or not? Suppose A plus 3D is there, 3 minus 1 is 2. Here N minus 1 is there, N minus 1 minus 1, that is N minus 2 is the preceding term. That's why here you will have A plus N minus 2 into D. Plus here A plus N minus 3 into D. Plus etc. Last one is what? Plus. Just I have written in reverse order. Is it okay? Now what you do? Add corresponding terms. That's it. Add corresponding term. If you add S plus S, same as 1 plus 2 plus 300. Now first bracket A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the first bracket. So this one. The second one is what? A plus D plus A plus N minus 2 into D. So this is related to this one. Plus third one is what? A plus 2D plus A plus N minus 3 into D. This is for this one. Next last one plus etc. Plus last one for this one. Here I will write. So for this one, last one is what? A plus N minus 1 into D plus what? A. Now this is equal to 2S is equal to, you open the bracket, then what you get? A plus, if you open the bracket, N into D what? ND minus 1 into D minus D. Plus here also A plus D, if you open the bracket, A plus D plus A, N into D ND minus 2D. Now A plus 2D plus A plus N into D minus 3D. Just I am opening the brackets. N into D minus 3D. Here N into D minus 2D. Plus etc. Last bracket is what? A plus N into D minus D plus A. Sorry, N into D minus D plus A. Now see, this 2S is equal to, so this is A plus A 2A. So A plus A 2A plus what? Here, okay, what we do is N minus 1. Right. So here, so ND minus D as it is, right? First, plus here A plus A 2A plus. Now tell me ND as it is, ND as it is, minus 2D plus D is what? Minus D or not? Minus 2D plus D is minus D. Plus here A plus A 2A, ND as it is. Next minus 3D plus 2D is what? Again minus D. Plus etc. Now last bracket is what? Plus etc. Plus last bracket is what? A plus A 2A. Here ND minus D. So what we got, tell me, what you observed? each bracket is same or not? All the bracket 2a plus nd minus d, 2a plus nd minus d, 2a plus nd minus d, 2a plus nd. Is it fine? So 2s is equal to, now here from this one n take out common, n take out common, n take out common, n take out common. Therefore 2a plus n minus 1 into d, first bracket. Second bracket is also 2a plus n minus 1 into d, plus third bracket is also 2a plus n minus 1 into d, plus etc. Nth bracket is also what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how many times, tell me? 2a plus n minus 1 into d? N times. Because how many terms it has? 1, 2, 3, n minus 1. First term, n minus 1 plus 1. Total n terms are there. Therefore, how many times? N times. Similar to the previous one, n times. So n times you add. Therefore, 2s is equal to n times what? This one. We are adding this one n times. N times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So our requirement is what? S. S is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic, in terms of an arithmetic progression. So this is the formula. So S is equal to sum of n terms is, so n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now you can write like this, that is a plus d, sum of n terms of that, a plus 2d plus etc. up to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the